right, let's take a look at our next thing in our Revit project file cover page. We're going to add some maps, a county map, area map, vicinity map. Okay, and we're going to put them in the drafting view. We're going to use snips of Google Maps, and we're just going to paste them right in. If you are an ARC Design Tech major, I want you to trace them in AutoCAD and import those. Okay, when we take these snips, we're actually violating the intellectual property of Google. It says they're copyrighted and all that kind of stuff. We're able to do it in an educational setting like this. It's not going to get published. It's not going to make money, so we have fair use for educational purposes. But if you're a design major, you're going to need to start learning how to get those so that they're your own intellectual property, and you're just using these snips as information. Okay, so design tech majors, you should know how to do this already. Trace them and use AutoCAD, and then import the AutoCAD into the drafting view. Everybody else, do what I'm going to show you now. County map, area map, vicinity map. So here's how you get them. I've saved them already and done them. I just want to show you how to do it. So you go to Google Maps and you type in Yolo County, and there's Yolo County. So somebody now knows, oh, I know where this is project it's going to be. It's going to be in Yolo County. And so you take a snip. I'm using the snipping tool here. New. Get the cursor out of the way. There we go. There, I've got it. And now here's the key. You need to say where Davis is. So I want a red pen, and I want to put a mark around Davis so somebody knows that that is where in Yolo County we're going to be, in that area. And then you save that file, save as, and I'll put it, you know what, I'll just use these ones. So I got to go find my 352 file, and it's not Revit work, but it's project support. So let me make a new folder here. So I'm just going to put them into there. And this one is my county map. It's Yolo County. So once I've done that, then I got to zoom in on Davis. That looks pretty good. Try to get it to the point. Let's see. There we go. That's not bad. That's at an area where I don't have a ton of different ads popping up. So let's do this one. And this now is Davis. And if you recall, the location of Arneson Park is right over here. Probably saw that. So that's the vicinity. This is the area, Davis, and I'm showing where we're going to go next. So file, save as. This is my area map, which is Davis. And then I'm going to zoom in. I remember it's right over here. Robert Arneson Park. There it is. And so now I can take a snip of this. And that way somebody can kind of go, okay, I got it. I'll go down Covell Boulevard to right and around the traffic circle and down Bonnard and then over to Hepworth and stuff. And this right here is the actual site, and this is the vicinity around the site. So this one is my vicinity map. So I have those 3 items in there. Okay, now I'm ready for my Revit again. And those are all going to go. I'm going to put all 3 of those in here. 1, 2, 3. So they're not very big, but that's okay. So that's under project location. Double click. Now I have to insert those things. I'm going to insert, and I'm going to start. I'm going to import an image. That's what I want it to do. I want to put that image in there. So let me go up 1, supporting image, and I want my county map YOLO. And it's huge. Oh my gosh. But I can grab this little corner and resize it so that it's kind of a little bit better size. And I don't know exactly. So that says it's like 2 and 20. I'll make it, let's just see how big this box is. I just clicked my measuring tool from here to here. It's about 8 inches. So if I made each of these like 2 inches wide, that'd be 6 inches, maybe 2.5 wide. So I click on it and I type 2.5, and I need the inches symbol or it'll think it's 2.5 feet. That's kind of cool. And I better label that. Annotate. I'm going to put a piece of text in there. It's just going to be no leader or anything. And it's going to be 1/4 inch, I think will be good. YOLO County. And that looks okay. Kind of bring that in and grab this little movie thing and move it over. There. That looks okay. Yeah. So now I want my next one. Insert. Import image. Area map. Davis. That'll be my next one. Click. And I can just right now, I know I want it to be 2.5 inches wide. That's okay if it's not the same height. I'm working with the width. I can copy that, I think. Control C, Control V. Kind of get it set there. Escape, double click, highlight. That's my left button down. Davis. Click. Just grab this little thing here, left button down, move it over. Grab the move, left button down, move it over. And you can see why this is better if you actually draw it. You don't have all that weird color background and stuff. It actually looks better. But for what we're doing, I just want you to have this kind of capabilities. So now insert, import CAD, vicinity map. And again, go over to the width, 2.5 inches, and put it up into place. Looks like I have to move this one over. I clicked on it, hold Control, click, 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 all with the Control button down. Now I'm going to use my arrow keys. That looks pretty good. Click, Control button down, click, let go, use my arrow key. And I don't need these to be perfect, just trying to get it kind of right. So it looks okay. Select, click, right click, copy. I think I can copy. No, Control C. Click. I don't know why that copy doesn't. Control C. Control V. There's copy right there. Copy. Put it there. I think I'm going to move this up just a little bit. Arrow key up a little bit. And double click this. This one's probably going to need to be wider, so I'm going to widen it up a little bit. Double click. Come in here. Arneson Park. And I need to get it just a little bit wider so that it fits. Move it over just a little bit. Not much, just a little. And that will suffice. So I've just done all this work. And let's go back and see what the cover page, and there it is. Now it shows up on here. So we've got some general notes. We've got some project location. Okay. Step 3 is going to be to finish this up with the project description. But we'll do that in the next video and a little bit more cleaning up as we go. But that is the oh, I forgot to save it. Save. Always save. There we go. So that's your step 2. Add maps to the cover page.